请不要在深水的地方戏水。如在游泳时遇到危险，请高声呼救。请不要单独一人游泳。请小心照顾儿童。注意安全，玩得开心。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this beach managed by the Leisure and Cultural Services Department. For safety's sake, please do not swim beyond the red boom line, particularly not to swim beyond or close to the shark prevention net. Do warm-up exercises before swimming. Do not enter the water when you are tired, hungry, or too full. Do not
Malakas na
fully
yung
rely
alon.
on buoys or floating aids.
Malakas.
If you are not a skillful swimmer, please do not swim in deep water. Cry for help if you are in danger. Do not swim alone. Take good care of children. Play safe and have